Hi everyone, hope you had a wonderful week. So today I'm just going to break away from my garden a little bit because I really wanted to bring some of these beautiful gardens that I experience here in France to share with you at home, because sometimes I come here and I see these things and I'm like, I wish everybody can see them, everybody who loves gardening. And so today we decided to just come in here and do our video here in our town. This is our center of the town of Castres, where we live, and we come and visit this garden all the time. And I wanted to show you what is in France, because they really bring the beauty and the art in a very important place in their culture. And so it's just really awesome. But just a really quick, many of you guys know that we moved to France, and we didn't determine what town we wanted to move, which kind of our house determined to where we are going to live. So we found the home that we liked, and so we became really good friends with our previous owners of the house, and we almost became family, really. They've been so amazing to us, and we fell in love with this place. So but the town, our town is named the name comes from a Latin word castrum, which means fortified place, and it's believed to be found 647 AD. The town also became a very important stop on the international pilgrimage routes to Santiago de Compostela in Spain, where because of their Abbey Church, which was built in 9th century. So we'll just go ahead and go take a look at it, and I can also talk about this garden because it is really amazing. So just I don't want to make it a really long video, but I think it's worthwhile to bring you a little bit of a history about this garden. This is absolutely stunning, and this garden has been built in 1664 by architect, landscaper André Le Nôtre, and this garden is composed of six flower beds, so 4 of them in English style and 2 in boxwood embroidery style, surrounded by flower bed and punctuated by topiaries of venerable yews. So André Le Nôtre, I wanted to talk about him a little bit because he was a French landscape architect and principal gardener of King Louis XIV of France. He was landscape architect who designed the gardens of the Palace of Versailles, and his work represents the height of the French formal garden style of Jardin à la Française. So he actually designed, he was a principal gardener of the Versailles, which if you guys have any chance to go there, please do. I had the privilege to be there, and it was the most amazing experience for me. So, and then here behind us right now, they're working on this building a little bit, but this is actually a Goya museum. Normally we would go up there and look the gardens from above, because the French gardens right here, and embroidery style of the gardens look really beautiful from higher up. But because of the COVID, it has been closed for now. Hopefully we will do another video where we can show you from up there, because you can really see the entire garden. But the Goya Museum is a museum located in our town, Castres, France. It is named after Spanish painter Francisco Goya, and it has the largest collection of Spanish paintings in France. So, and you can see all the topiaries this is basically the yew, venerable yew that they always trim. People are working here even as we speak right now. Looks like they already planted some flowers. Um, it's a little breezy, but it's not bad. And I wanted to do this, a while back, but because of the COVID and the lockdown, it was always seemed like it was impossible to get out here and try to show you this, this beautiful garden. And you can see those trees, and they just take my heart because the way they, and I don't know if you guys been in Paris, but there is a on Champs-Élysées Avenue, they do the similar trimming of the trees and that rectangular shape. I've learned a lot about shaping the trees since I've been in France because they just fascinate me, but they're just so beautiful. Look at them, how formal this garden is, and I love the formal style of the garden. And so if we go this way, so this is all the boxwoods. So they have, there is peonies blooming here as well, so we'll just go around and take a look at them. Look at this beautiful vase, such a French, and I see all these beautiful things I constantly want to share with you. Look at this gorgeous peonies. So it's going to be, right now it's a peony season, so they have all these beautiful peonies in the middle of the boxwoods that are blooming at the moment. You can see right here that stunning dark color that comes out, brightness from the in the middle of the boxwood hedges, from the middle of the boxwood hedges. And bonjour. And this is so beautiful. They it looks like they're doing maintenance right now, but usually it's running and it goes really high. They're starting the fountain. Okay, so they're going to, normally the fountain is running, but I think they're doing maintenance. But the gentleman that was here just a few minutes ago, he said that they're, oh, there it is, they're going to start the fountain. Look at that, that's gorgeous. So there it is, you guys. This is so beautiful here. All right, so let's go this way. And so it looks like right now all the peonies, it's the peony season, which I really wanted to come here while the peonies are blooming so you guys can see. Look at this, these are all peonies. And here as well, in between the boxwood hedges and all the way. And I think I see some white ones over there. But as you progress into the park here, as you can see, there are lots of hydrangeas because this is a shady area of the park, and these beautiful trees, unfortunately, we missed. Oh, there is some flowers left yet. This is a these are wild chestnut trees. Look at the flowers, it's amazing, and they're almost finished, but when they bloom they look so beautiful on these trees. So this is a very, very beautiful park. Chestnut trees are very common in France, and you can see here it's under the shade because of the trees, and you can see they have hydrangea hedges all in between the boxwoods in this area here. So it looks like they have blooms, but they have buds, but they haven't quite bloomed yet. So after the peonies, obviously it will be hydrangeas, and then they always design with beautiful. Merci beaucoup. And so we go this way, so you can see the beautiful park. I always see lots of children from school. They always come here, hang out. It's a really lovely place. Love these trees. I think this is just such an architectural part of the garden. Look at this. Love how these trees are done. And I don't know what variety these trees are. If you guys know what variety, let me know. But they are absolutely gorgeous, and looks like they can take the cut really well as well. And that's why they're probably planted here, because they can do that beautiful cut. And so Again, you just kind of go this way, and again, all the peonies, you can see the peonies all the way around. And it looks like this is a salvia of some kind of variety. Looks like this, it's a salvia probably. Maybe salvia there as well. And then we have another white variety of the peony that is blooming right now. We've been having so much rain, you can see it's kind of all a little bit droopy and wet, but you know, it is what it is, and we just decided, look, we need to go ahead and get this done because it's never a good time and we get really busy, especially I'm in the garden all the time. So you guys, here is this beautiful place, and you can see that beautiful building right there. That is our theater. So Théâtre Municipal right there. We're still working on our French. It is not an easy language, believe me, but we will get there. So, okay, well, you guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video because I always enjoy coming to this beautiful area of our town, and I wanted to bring this to you, to your homes to see as well. And it's such an inspiration, and so we all can take ideas from it, or landscape designs and inspiration, and maybe bring even a small portion of this into our gardens. So have a wonderful week, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.